equation. So which I have underlined, there we have to substitute y is equal to x and dy is equal to dx. So here I write x square into dx plus x into y value is also x and dy value is dx. dy value is dx. Now x is equal to 0 to 1. You can see x square plus x square is 2x square. I will write dx here. Now integration of x square is x cube divided by 3. So x value varies from 0 to 1. Give the upper limit 2 minus 3. Sorry, 2 by 3 minus 0 is equal to 2 by 3. This is the answer for the first one. Now, second one, what they have given along the parabola they have mentioned along y is equal to root x. Along y is equal to root x. Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to x. Y square is equal to x. Now, differentiate this y square with respect to x. So, 2y into dy is equal to dx. Now, we are substituting the whole equation in terms of y. How we will know that? You write integral vector f dot vector dr as it is. Here you don't mention the integral limit. Let us substitute first. Wherever x is there, there we have to substitute y square. But in the first term we have x square. So x square means y square whole square. That is y power 4. In the place of dx, we have to substitute 2y into dy plus. Again, in the place of x, we have to substitute y square into y into dy. So, every term is in the form y. So, here we can write y value varies from 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 1. So, y is equal to 0 to 1. Again, y is equal to 0 to 1. 2 into y power 5 plus y cube into dy. So 2 into y power 6 divided by 6 plus again y power 4 divided by 4. Y is equal to 0 to 1. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. So 12 is the LCM. 4 plus 3. So we get 7 by 12 is the answer for this problem. 7 by 12. By the force represented by vector f is equal to 3xyi minus yj plus 2zx into k in moving a particle around the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4. So here first we have to write the formula for total work done. Total work done is equal to W is equal to integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr. So here they have mentioned the circle, that is x square is equal to 4 can be represented in the parametric form. Can be represented in the parametric form. What is that parametric form? Here we have, I will write in the right side, x square plus y square is equal to r square. So x square plus y square, in the place of r square we have 4, that we can write it as a 2 square. So how we can write the x value? 2 into cos theta, that is r cos theta. Y is equal to r sin theta. Here r is 2. R sin theta, and we don't have z, so I will mention z is equal to 0. In the circle, the theta always varies from 0 to 2 pi. So we can write 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. Now we substitute in the above work done formula, that is integral over the curve C 3xy I minus yj plus 2zx k dot again dxi for the vector dr dyj plus dzk. So multiply 3xy dx minus y dy plus 2zx into dz. Now we have to substitute. Here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So 3 into x value is 2 cos theta, y value is 2 sin theta. Here one more thing we forgot to do, that is x is equal to 2 cos theta. What is the differentiation? Dx is equal to minus 2 sin theta into d theta. So in the place of dx, I will write minus 2 sin theta into d theta. Minus 2 sin theta into d theta minus y value is 2 sin theta dy to 2 sin theta. So dy is equal to 2 cos theta into d theta. So I will write here continuation of the dy 2 cos theta into d theta plus 2 into z value is 0, x value is 2 cos theta plus dz value, into dz value is 0. So complete last term will become 0. So 0 to 2 pi, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So minus 24 cos theta into sine square theta minus 2 2s are 4 sin theta whole into d theta. So here for the first term I will do the substitution. Put t is equal to sin theta. So dt is equal to cos theta into d theta. So theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi minus I will write outside 24. In the place of sin theta I will mention t square. Cos theta into d theta is dt. Cos theta into d theta is dt. Because cos theta d theta we have defined. Next, minus, here I will split this 4 as a 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta into d theta minus 24 I will write outside. Here also I will define separately that theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. So here we can see that t square integration is t cube divided by 3, 0 to 2 pi minus 2 into integral theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Here 2 sin theta cos theta means we can write sin 2 theta. That is the basic formula. Now here yes, minus 24 divided by 3. So t cube, t is sin cube theta whole power 2 pi minus sin 0. Minus sin 0. Complete term, it will become here. Wait a minute. I will write here. I will write minus 24 by 3 is minus 8. So sine cube 2 pi minus sine 0. So sine 2 pi is 0. So completely this term will become 0. Minus 2 into integration of sine 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. 0 to 2 pi. So minus into minus plus cos 4 pi is 1. Again cos 0 is 1. So when you are applying lower limit, first we have to put minus, then we have to substitute the value. So cos 0 is 1. So total we get answer 0. Total we get answer 0. Integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr, where vector f is equal to xyi plus x square plus y square j, x square y along first one the path of the straight line, the path of the straight line from 0, 0 to 1, 0 and then to 1, 1. And the second one, the straight line joining the origin. Joining the origin means 0, 0 and 1, 2. Let us see the first one. Before seeing the first one, here first we write vector f dot vector dr value, that is xyi plus x square plus y square into j dot dxi dyj plus dzk. Now dot product xy dx plus x square plus y square into dy. Call this one as the equation 1. Now let us see the first one. First one, we have to draw a graph. So this is your x-axis, this is your y. So here I define the origin. For origin I define it as a O. Now 0, 0 to 1, 1. Somewhere I will mark in the x-axis 1, 0. This one will be A. Now then to 1, 1. 1, 1 means somewhere here it will come. If you consider this as a 1, 0, 1. So here we will get 1, 1. This is the line. Next, first problem. So here I will write for this curve B. So first you define the given for problem as integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr is equal to this direction. You have to write O to A, it will go like this, A to B, it will go like this. Now curve, that is the first curve O to A, vector f dot vector dr. Second curve A to B, so vector f dot vector dr. Now first one along OA, we have to see the common point. The point what they have given 0, 1 to 1, 0. In both the point we should have. Suppose here x varies from 0 to 1, but y varies from 0 to 0. It is not possible. So what we have to take? Y is equal to 0, because y varies from 0 to 0. We don't have any value. So y is equal to 0. Differentiate this one, dy is equal to 0. Then x, obviously x varies from 0 to 1. So write like this. Substitute this in the equation 1. So equation 1 means x is equal to 0 to 1. What we can write here, vector f dot vector dr, that is equal to x is equal to 0 to 1. Wherever y is there, there you have to substitute 0. X into 0 into dx plus x square plus y plus 0. Again dy is also 0. So complete term we will get 0. Complete term we will get 0. Y
Equals
is
to 1
equal to
only.
1, yes. Y is equal to 0 to 1. It has the meaning, but x varies from 1 to 1. So we have to write x is equal to 1. Do the differentiation, dx is equal to 0. So y varies from 0 to 1. Now again y is equal to 0 to 1. Vector f dot vector dr. So y is equal to 0 to 1. Vector f, substitute in the equation 1. Wherever x is there, there you have to substitute 1 into y. Dx is 0 plus 1 plus y square into dy. So first term it will become 0. So here different integration of 1 is y, integration of y square is y cube divided by 3, y is equal to 0 to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 4 by 3. Call this one as a equation 4. Substitute equation 3, 4 in equation 2. Integral over the curve C vector f dot vector dr is equal to equation 3 value is 0 plus 4 is 4 by 3. So we got the value 4 by 3. Next, let us see the second one. The straight line joining the origin 0, 0 to 1, 2. So here what we have to do, we have to write the straight line equation. So the equation of the line joining. The equation of the line is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, that is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is our point here? 0, 0 origin to 1, 2. This is your x1, y1 and this will be your x2, y2. Same thing we have to substitute here. That implies y minus y1 is 0, x minus x1 is 0, y2 minus y1, 2 minus 0, that is 2, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 is 1. So what we get here, y is equal to 2x. Same thing, dy is equal to 2 into x, differentiation is 1, and dx. So here all the term we are writing in terms of x. So here I can write x varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now you substitute in the above formula. Vector f dot vector dr. X is equal to 0 to 1. In the equation 1, wherever y is there, there we have to substitute 2x. So x into 2x into dx plus x square plus y square means 4x square into dx. So overall 2x square plus 5x square. How much we will get? Here I write 2x square plus 5 into 2, 10 x square. So overall we will get x is equal to 0 to 1, 2x square plus 10x square, because x square plus 4x square 5x square plus into 2 is 10. So 10 plus 2, 12x square into dx. Integration 12x cube divided by 3, x value varies from 0 to 1. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So upper limit means 4 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2xy z square, and a vector f is equal to xyi minus zj plus x square k, and C is the curve x is equal to t square, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to t cube. From t is equal to 0 to 1, evaluate the following. In that first one, integral over the curve C 5 vector dr, and a second one, integral over the curve C vector f cross vector dr. So let us see the first one directly. First one, integral over the curve C phi vector dr. So here, what is our phi? Here I will write where phi is equal to 2xy z square, and vector dr is equal to dxi dyj plus dzk. Next, here they have given x, y and z value. So I will substitute phi is equal to 2 into x value is t square, y value is 2t, and z value is t cube. So I will get 4 into t power 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Now I will write for phi vector dr. So how I will write this one? I will just write x is equal to t. So dx is equal to dt. T square, right? 2, wait a minute. Dx is equal to 2t into dt. Y is equal to 2t. So dy is equal to 2 into dt. Z is equal to t cube. So dz is equal to 3t square into dt. So these are the things I will substitute now. How I will substitute? 4t power 6. So here dxi plus dyj plus dzk. 4t power 6. In the place of dx, write 2t into dt I plus 2 dt j plus 3t square dt k. Now you multiply 8t power 7 . Wait a minute. Yes, here I made a mistake. Whole square. I have to write this one as a whole square because z square is there, right? So t cube whole square. So 6 here I will get 9. T power 9. Everywhere you just mention t power 9. So 4 into 2, 8, t power 9 plus 1 is 10 dt I plus again here 4 2s are 8 t power 9 dt j. Next 4 3s are 12 t power 9 plus 2, that is t power 11 dt k. So do the integration, that is t is equal to 0 to 1 5 vector dr is equal to integration 0 to 1 8 t power 10 I will write dt outside 8 t power 9 j plus 12 t power 11 k whole into dt. Now I will write the integration 8 t power 11 divided by 11 I plus 8 t power 10 divided by 10 j plus 12 t power 12 divided by 12 k. So 8 by 11 I plus 2 4s are 2 5s are. So 4 by 5 j plus upper limit means 1 into k. This is the first one. Now let us see the second one. What is the second one? Integral over the curve C vector f cross vector dr. Vector f cross vector dr. So here how we have to write? In terms of t they have given. So I just write vector dr divided by dt into dt. So here that means I, j, k. Again dr by dt. dr by dt means here vector f. What is our vector f? First we have to write vector f value. I just write here vector f is equal to x value is t square into y value is 2t I. Next minus t cube j plus t power 4 k. So in the place of vector f, t square into 2t means 2t cube. Again minus t cube, here t power 4. dr by dt. dr by dt means dx, dy, dz. So 2t, 2, again 3t square. 2t, 2, 3t square in the place of dr, vector dr divided by dt. Now I into here what we have to write here minus 3t power 5 minus 2t power 4. Again minus j into 3 2s are 6 t power 5 minus 2 into t power 5 plus k into 2 2s are 4 t cube minus into minus plus 2 into t power 4. Now this is the value of vector f cross vector dr divided by dt into dt. Now apply the integral, that is t is equal to 0 to 1 vector f cross vector dr divided by dt into dt. is equal to I into, here apply the integral t is equal to 0 to 1 minus 3t power 5 minus 2 power 4 minus j into t is equal to 0 to 1 6 minus 2 4 t power 5 here into dt you write, here also into dt plus k into t is equal to 0 to 1 4t cube minus 2t plus 2t power 4 into dt. So here again I into 3t power 6 divided by 6 minus 2t power 5 divided by 5 t is equal to 0 to 1. T is equal to 0 to 1. Again minus j into 4t power 6 divided by 6 t is equal to 0 to 1. K value, just I erase this part. Yes, I just write here only. Yes, here I just write plus k into t 4t power 4 divided by 4 plus 2t power 5 divided by 5. T value varies from 0 to 1. Final answer I just write here. Yes. First I into upper value, that is 3 ones are 3 twos are. Here 3 ones are 3 twos are. So I will write 1 by 2. Here I forgot to write minus, just mention minus. Minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. This is your I value. Minus j into 2 by 3 minus j into 2 by 3 plus k, open the bracket, 1 plus 2 by 5. So overall how much we will get? Here LCM is 10 for I. So 5 plus 4. So minus 9I minus 2 by 3j plus 5 is the LCM. So 7 by 5k. 7 by 5k.